are the red flags one as a pet parent one should look for when you send your fur baby for grooming?
First of all, that when a groomer is certified or trained, right, you have to understand that groomer had the initiative or the passion enough to go and learn.
So कौन सा certification check करना चाहिए? Because कोई भी certification लगा दे. I don't think we all know what are the actual certifications that one should look for. I don't know.
Okay, so reason I started the association, the Professional Pet Groomers Association, was for this.
Right.
Where you can have, even a pet owner can have some kind of a verification procedure ki, okay, these guys have been certified, say, now a member is different, a certified groomer is different.
Okay.
So we do have members who are
What is the difference between a certified groomer and the member of your association?
A member is somebody who is part of the association and has the opportunity to join education seminars or competitions or those kind of things.
Okay.
A certified groomer is somebody who has been through the examination. So there is an examination, right? We take a practical exam, we take a theoretical exam. In my academy, we do that. I make sure that people are not just learning practical, but they're learning theory as well, right? Because we need to understand, like understanding coat, understanding skin, all of these kind of things.
You need all that. You have to understand.
You need to know your anatomy. You need to know a lot of things before you are even touching the animal, Right. So, we go through that, and PPGAI is trying to, identify schools and academies that are following this process.
So, PPGAI is recognized by the government of India also?
Not yet, no.
So, what are you doing to get it recognized?
So, right now, we started in 2019, after which COVID hit. Yeah.
So, is there anything that is recognized by the government?
Not yet.
In India, we have nothing.
It is completely unstandardized at this point, which is again why the association, right? What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to actually bring a little bit of standardization wherein, even a pet owner should expect a certain level of...
So, say even kennel clubs and all don't have any sort of a certification for groomers?
The Kennel Club of India is actually associated with the government.
Okay, but are you working towards getting...
I am working towards getting associated with them. In fact, I'm working towards getting associated with something called the FCI, which is the Federation something, which is the International Kennel Club.
Okay.
Which recognizes kennel clubs all across Europe, Australia, and Asia.
Okay.
Okay, so if God willing, things go well and we get recognition, PPGI gets recognition there, then we can certify according to their standards.
I really hope you get that certification soon, because until that happens, let's look for the PPGAI mark on the certificates. So at least we know that, there's... Because when you send your pets to the salons, you at least want to know that you've gone to the right place, that the person who's claiming to be what they are. I mean, we are in a place where doctors who take care of human beings have fake certificates and are doing... So where pets are concerned, I don't know if they're going to be that strict about it. So we need to stand up and say that we need strict rules and we need strict, kind of coalitions and, forums
we need support from each other.
Right.
We need support from pet parents. We need support from the government of India. We need support from the community as well.